My trip to the Royal Century Hotel and Resort was under 3 hours through the Tema motorway, Ashaiman and Afienya townships, and the drive past the iconic Shai Hill Reserve, where baboons occasionally sit by the roadside, I heard. On the way are a variety of landscapes, including my favorite, this green hill. Royal Century Hotel and Resort is located in Akosombo, not too far from the famous Adome Bridge. At the entrance, the security do their usual checks, and right after that I was met with the lush greenery all the way to the car park, which is a few meters away from the reception. I love the original sight and smell of wood in the reception. As usual, I had to check in, and whilst my room was being prepared, I walked into the Royal shop, conveniently situated in the corner of the reception. This shop had a lot of artifacts and collectibles, and I copped a few. I was lucky to meet the founder and the executive director of the hotel, and in a short convo, I asked him just one important question.
If you ask me why unique thing about this place, it's right here on the bottle. If you probably look at our logo, it's right in the middle of the stool. It's called Owofro Adobe.
Wow.
It's a Adikra symbol, literally meaning a snake trying to climb a palm tree. You know, the palm tree is very thorny, and the snake has a soft underbelly. So for the snake to attempt to climb up the tree, there must be something special there. It must be for a very special reason. Now this logo is about our philosophy, who we are. And it means going the extra mile to make sure our guests are happy, our guests are comfortable, they get a good return for the time they spend with us. So the entire design, the makeup of our staff, and the way we work is all enshrined in that.
This 4-star hotel stands on 35 acres of lush greenery with over 80 rooms, and each has a good view of the Volta River. Before entering the restaurant is an outdoor dining area where a white statue and fountain stands. The founder of the hotel says it symbolizes Lot's wife in the Bible. Inside is a spacious restaurant with some beautiful lights and a wide variety of good food. I reserved the rest of the tour for the next day because I needed some rest, and low-key, I needed to experience their homely rooms. I woke up the next day loving the room and the view of the Volta River once the curtains were open. From the bathtub, there is a connecting window to my bed, which I found very convenient. I stepped out in my bikini, and I guess you already knew my destination. Are you ready to get into the water? Let's do this. Their swimming pool is really spacious, and I had to satisfy my itch of dipping into it. But I love their jacuzzi more. I spent over 40 minutes in it whilst I listened to music and meditated. Are you loving the place already? Then there is more to see in the next episode. I have more to show you from this beautiful hotel and resort. See you in the next video, and do not forget to subscribe to watch more content from me. Bye.